Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2011 Ford Econoline passenger van. We're going to start right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have running boards on the side, cloth interior, seats are clean all the way throughout. Taking a look in the back here, you do have 3 rows of seating. So this is a 12-passenger van. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around the back end. You do have rear backup sensors on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Econoline on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.